When you think of quick, agile feet, you might automatically think of rhythm moves, and obviously that's going to really help you. But being able to move your feet quickly is also going to help you at the rink. You can sidestep a small child, and also if you're a derby player, it's going to help you move and block much, much better. So let's talk about a few drills that are going to help you get agile feet. A nice one to start with is the side step. So all you're going to do is step wide, transfer the weight to this foot, and then bring the other foot to meet it. Step wide, transfer, and meet. And back the other way, wide, transfer, and meet. Now, you are going to find your wheels are going to want to roll backwards and forwards if you just step. So if you see when I'm stepping, I'm actually in skater stance. I'm low, knee over toe, and I'm leaning on the inside edge here to stabilize the foot. So when I lift this one doesn't roll away from me. So inside edge, and that anchors the foot. So once you're comfortable with this, you could also use this moving. So you can use the same action to step away or out of danger. So when I do this moving, I'm not going to lean hard on this inside edge, but I am going to put the inner wheels down first. So I'm going to step there. The next variation to practice would be the step over. So rather than just stepping sideways, this time we're going to step over like that. So it's the same principle. I'm still going to lean on that inside to control this foot, but it's going over the other foot. Look how low my legs are again. Give yourself room to cross your legs by bending your knees. So this is the step over. And you could also do a step under, which is taking the foot behind. So this is more uncomfortable because the foot is kind of feeling a bit more twisted, and it's okay if it goes in at a slight angle here, but really bend your knees still. There. So step under. Now as you get better at these, you can mix it up. So I can do a step over, step under. Get a bit of rhythm in there. Bit of bounce. This is a really nice one to master because it gives you that ability to move your feet and know where your feet are. So if you have to get out of the way quickly, you're not worried about locking your wheels together, getting your feet all muddled up. It just gives you that bit of confidence so you know where your feet are. So this one is called the diamond shuffle because you shuffle in the shape of a diamond. It's a very original name. So this one is actually incredibly good to work out the mechanics of your turns. We are going to do here, and I'm going to turn on my toes. This is the top of my diamond. Now I'm going to go back in. Now I'm going to go heels, heels, toes, toes. So it's almost forward, forward, backwards, backwards, forward, forward, backwards, backwards, but it's heels, heels, toes, toes. Now the most important part of this is the arms, because every time I shuffle, I'm going to move my arms. So I'm here, 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 here. So I'm moving my arms, ready for my next shuffle. Now, as you get more confident with this, you can start to use those inside edges to give you a bit of oomph, a bit of push. Here, here. Now on this one, I can push. Push. So I'm using my inside of my outer foot and the inside of the outer foot to give me a little bit of speed. Nice and low, as always. This is a great workout and it really helps you feel the mechanics of how your skates and your upper body move together. Now I'm really sliding here because I have super hard wheels on. But if you've got a softer wheel, you're going to need to lift your feet that little bit more to get the turn because it's not going to slide as easily as mine are. Before I go, as it's finally t-shirt weather here in the UK, I thought I'd just remind you that we do have a selection of fabulous t-shirts for you to purchase. They are available on Redbubble, Amazon and Teespring, so hopefully they're available in your country. I'm Katie, brought in Skatie, and I'll see you next time. Bye!